a drive through this RV park. I don't see any 50 amp services, just 30s. There's the office and the clubhouse. And you see the entrance is pretty good. And there's that big Love's Travel Center. That's it. Alright. Flagstaff. There's the turnoff to Garland Prairie Road, which is where I was going to boondock. You can get to it from the other turnoff also, the Grand Canyon Highway to Zion. But there's a lot of boondocking around here. I just didn't feel like camping in 27-degree temperatures. So we're gonna head straight through Flagstaff and make a stop in Winslow. Maybe do a little bit of Route 66, the old highway. At least it's warmed up some. It's 33 degrees right now. Feeling good today. I slept good last night. Like a rock, actually. I had that heater going. I think it was most of the night. It was about 65 degrees inside the camper, which is toasty. Nice to have that coffee pot running first thing in the morning. So this should be a good day, good drive. It's beautiful out. The snow is gorgeous, and it's not freezing anymore, so I don't have to worry too much about ice on the roads. Ooh, got a couple trucks spun out here. Hit something. Now, as soon as I drop down out of Flagstaff into Winslow, it should be much nicer. I think it was like 53 degrees. There's another wreck over on the other lane. 2 semis and a truck. But as soon as I drop down into the Winslow area, it's much warmer. Just need to take it easy through here. Take your time. Not in a hurry. As long as people drive slow, caution, it's not horrible. A bit of a whiteout condition coming up. There's a Camping World. I'm about 10 miles from Flagstaff right now, so that means I got about another 20, maybe 25 miles on this. Going 50. Speed limit's 75. Nobody's doing that, thank goodness. Except for these idiots. God, dude, just slow down. Look at all these guys. Flagstaff. Made it to the top of the mountain. Arizona Divide. Just past that. Just passing through the Walnut Canyon area right now. It's amazing. Look at this. Might get into some sunshine. Twin Arrows. It's already 44 degrees. The temperatures come up 15 degrees or so. Down in the flatlands, 48 degrees. Got about 30 miles to Winslow. Pretty soon I'm gonna cut over and get on the last little stretch of Route 66, the mother road, the original Route 66, going into Winslow. I was just thinking about how crazy it must have been driving through here on the old Route 66. How long it must have taken. Some beautiful sights, but that two-lane highway, of course it was a different time. You didn't have as many people, not as much traffic, people didn't drive as fast. I mean, drove 55, 60 miles an hour. That was fast. It seemed like a simpler time. People maybe enjoy the journey a little bit more back then. I remember coming through here when I was a kid. I was 7 years old, and we had a cab over camper on a short bed, single cab Chevy, and it was super fun. Of course, back then, this was in the late 70s. We rode in the truck camper. We rode up in the cab over part, looking out the window. What a view! It was crazy. A lot of fun. You know, people drove slower, enjoyed the ride. Oh, there's two guns. That's cool. Dang, I should have stopped there. Maybe I'll hit it on the way back. I was going to go up through Colorado and do the $1 Million Highway and all that, but the weather's just not good through there. Seems like we're getting a lot of snow and a lot of pretty bad weather conditions late this year. But I don't know, we'll play it by ear. I'd really like to go up to the Grand Canyon, so I think I'll come back this way to Flagstaff and then go up. And then, you know, possibly go up through Monument Valley and Valley of the Gods and all that. And then to Moab. And then maybe, you know, get back onto I-70 and head west from there. It's a little bit different route, but still be able to hit most of the stuff I wanted to hit, minus Durango and $1 Million Highway and some of that stuff. Wind's blowing about 40 miles an hour today. Taking it easy, going about 65. Speed limit 75. Just I get behind some of these trucks that are going a little bit slower and just kind of cruise. Just watch my back. Beautiful skies though. Check this out. It's a blur. again, maybe the weather will treat me a little bit better coming back through after my RV tech school. Coming through here the second week of June. Now, on my trip back after the school's over, I'll probably vlog a little bit more. I'm not doing a very good job vlogging on the trip here. It's you know, a little bit that I've done, the weather's been really bad. It's been kind of a fight driving. The wind has been howling like crazy, and well, you saw the snowstorm up in Williams and Flagstaff, so not so much vlogging. It's just not real easy to do. And some of these people on YouTube, I have a lot of respect for these guys do vlogging all the time. It's hard work. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the clouds pick up the ground reflection, so they've got that red, kind of that red dirt, red clay look to them. It's very cool. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous out there. Meteor City. Alright. That's weird. We're at 5,000 feet. About 8 miles out of Winslow right now. Welcome to Winslow. Alright, we're getting on old Route 66. There's the sign in the road, 66.
In 1 3/4 miles, turn left.
I gotta stop at a Walmart. Grab a pillow and a pillowcase. Dumb me, forgot my pillow at home. I've been sleeping without one for a couple nights. 3 nights. Historic Route 66. Gas station. Jay's Garage. Standing on a corner. Right back there. Walmart in Winslow. Super windy. Big surprise. But just went in and got my pillow and pillowcase. I'm going to head back over to the visitor center and walk around in town for a second. Alright, fresh pillow and pillowcase. Thank you, Walmart Winslow. Alright, right here is the visitor center. I'm going to pull in here for just a second. bit of the mother road here.